What is up guys, finally I have got the Realme GT Master Edition. This is the 5G edition of the phone, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this phone and show you about its features. First of all, in the box you guys can see it has a lot of nice features. It says it has Snapdragon 788, that's really awesome. It has 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65W super dart charging, and also it runs on Android 11. That's really awesome. And yeah, Android 12 will be out very soon. So now let's just unbox this package and experience our new smartphone. Wow, that was an amazing experience. And now this is the box, the official box. Looks awesome really. So I have done the seal. Now let's just unbox this, the moment of truth. Boom, there you go. Wow, exploring the aesthetics of technology. It's pretty awesome, man. Wow. Okay, what do we have here? Here we have this. Inside of this, let's check out what do we have. So I think we have some user manuals. Yeah, user manuals. Keep this aside. This is our phone. Here you go. Let's unbox this. Oh, nice. It actually, guys, feels really awesome in the hands. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So here's the phone. It looks really awesome. So right now let's just keep it aside for a second and check what's in the box. In the box we have okay, this is the template. We have a really nice case as well. Wow, the case actually looks really awesome. The quality of the case is very nice. It's a soft case. It can protect your phone. Let's just try to apply this case. Okay, first I'm going to see what's in the box as well. Now is a super dart charger, and you know what, it supports 65W fast charging. That's really awesome. Like there you can see it supports 65W fast charging. And yeah, the charger looks pretty as well. And now here we have the cable as well. The cable is pretty normal. It's USB type C, so nothing new. And that's pretty much it what we get in the box. We get nothing else. Now let's just keep all of this aside and check out the phone itself. Now let's just unwrap this phone and see. So first I'm going to keep the case aside, and man, look at the phone, bro. That's awesome, isn't it? Now let's just unbox this phone. So the moment of truth right now. Actually, I'm just too excited, to be honest, because this is such a beautiful looking phone. I don't want to mess it up. Let's just unbox. Wow, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. So the back design, I'm not sure about it. It looks like you know, plastic, but I'm not sure about it. Maybe it's not plastic. So yeah, that's the back design. And wow, like it is really awesome, to be honest. The camera layout looks very nice. We have 3 cameras here. One is main is the 64 megapixel sensor. Then we have the sides, which look awesome, and the screen itself. And there you go, it also has a pre-applied screen protector. That's really awesome. We have normal speakers here, and yeah, wow, man, this looks awesome, isn't it? Now let's just turn it on and see what do we have here. Now this phone comes with a 120Hz Super AMOLED display. That in itself is a really awesome thing, and it is obviously Realme. It is powered by Android 11. And yeah, the screen protector is of plastic, but still it is good enough because many brands don't even care to provide a charger in the box. I'm just hoping they will in the future. So that's it. And yeah, look at that, the smartphone has started, and man, it's just beautiful. So I'm going to do a full review of this phone very soon as well. This is just the first impressions. First impressions are pretty solid. The cameras are awesome looking. The phone itself is very nice. It's very thin as well. It's not very, you know, heavy. It's very sleek. And overall I think the display aspect ratio is very awesome. And yeah, the viewing angles are also great. Look at this, you can see the display from every angle, so don't need to worry about will you be able to see the display or not. So overall this is an awesome phone, and considering you are getting a 5G phone for this much price, it's really awesome. And now I'm going to test this cover as well. Let's see how will this cover actually looks in this phone. So I'm going to apply this cover very gently, and let's apply. Okay, wow, this is a very hard type of case. I mean, there you go. Let's apply from this side as well. Boom, there you go. And yeah man, this cover also has some protective things to protect the headphone jack and the charging port. And overall with the cover as well, this phone looks awesome. But I hope it would be a glass, it would be even better. But yeah, obviously you're going to use a case anyways, and this phone is very slim. So overall that's pretty much it for today's first impression and the unboxing. What do you think? If you like this phone, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.